Weather Authority, meteorologist Francis Payton.
Well, it is a gorgeous, bright, sunny day. However, it is hot outside. We're also looking at the humidity increasing from yesterday. So yesterday was quite pleasant, but today we're looking at a touch more humidity in our area. We had our winds move in from the north yesterday. That brought in plenty of dry air. Unfortunately, dry air is starting to leave us as our winds are starting to shift from the southwest. But right now, looking at hot and humid conditions, have a slight chance of seeing an isolated storm possible today, but more storms are expected on Wednesday in the afternoon hours. And I wouldn't rule out the chance of seeing a few severe storms as well. As we get closer to our holiday weekend, those 90-degree temperatures will return to central Virginia. It will be a hot holiday weekend. But right now, sitting at 87 in the Richmond area. We have 86 in Hanover, also 86 in Petersburg, 87 in West Point, and 88 in Tappahannock. Those temperatures reaching near our highs, which are today in the mid to upper 80s for this afternoon. And if you notice, there's just that 20% chance of seeing a few isolated storms. Best chance of seeing anything is going to be closer towards the Blue Ridge Mountains as you see a bit more instability, also touch more humidity over towards the Blue Ridge. But here you have just a hazy view from our sky tracker at the diamond, very thin layer of clouds. So definitely need your sunglasses for this afternoon. As you see above, looking at mostly sunny skies for this afternoon. Zooming out, we have a low pressure system off the coast of the Carolinas that's going to cause some instability and bring us some problems that we can expect on Wednesday. And then we have slim rain chances on Thursday. We have a decent dry spell before we track the chance of seeing more afternoon storms for the beginning of next week. But let me take you through the hour by hour for today. Stopping that's at 2 o'clock this afternoon. If you notice, most of the action occurs throughout southwestern Virginia, as well as a few near the Blue Ridge Mountains, near Charlottesville and Lynchburg. That's really about it for today. As we head into tomorrow, I wouldn't rule out the chance of seeing an early morning shower, but most of us are going to be dealing with the chance of seeing some storms in the afternoon hours throughout the evening. So we keep storm chances in there starting on noon on Wednesday, and storm chances stay in there until about 8, 9 o'clock on Wednesday nights. So something to just keep in mind. We're looking at more humidity in the area, so expecting to see more instability. Also, our greatest threats among any of these storms will be some damaging wind gusts. So just keep that in mind. You're looking at wind gusts about 30 to even 40 miles an hour. But we're at least seeing those temperatures staying in the 80s for a decent period of time in the middle of this week. Again, Wednesday is going to be your greatest day or best chance of seeing a storm on Wednesday afternoon. Heading into Thursday, slim rain chances as that low pressure system starts to leave the area. Looking at a decent dry spell, but wow, it is going to be hot and humid over the weekend. Those temperatures returning to the 90s, and our dew point temperatures likely in the upper 60s to low 70s. So just something to keep in mind. Hot and humid this weekend. Stay well hydrated over your 4th of July holiday weekend. And as we head into early next week, storm chances return to central Virginia.